Hi everyone, we're gonna be doing these
flavored chocolates.
Yeah, and they look like bunnies.
I want the watermelon.
No, I want both. I want both.
Do you want me to open them first?
I want both.
You can have both.
How about we just break them in half?
Break them. In half.
It smells good. Smells nice. Yeah.
Ah, it does smell like watermelon.
You guys don't eat it without
I know how to take it out. Watch. Ta-da! Oh wait, let's smell this one. Let's smell it.
This one smells good.
Can you smell it?
Can we?
That smells the same.
No, can I smell the other one?
No.
That smells like my watermelon gum I used to have.
Gavin,
Oh.
can I have this one and you have the blue one?
Oh wait, can I have a piece? Can I have a piece of one?
Here.
Yeah.
You get the
You give me that turn.
Yeah. Gavin, you get the eel. You get the eel. Gavin, you get the eel.
Ah, it's really sour.
I do not like the blue. The blue one is gross.
No, wait.
Oh, it's Gavin. It's actually sour than sweet.
It does not taste sour. That tastes sweet.
Oh, Leah.
It's sour than sweet.
Leah,
like the
the
sour.
watermelon one tastes like my gum I used to have.
Guys,
Like this, but you know how your Sour Patch Kids gummies things are sour than sweet? Chase, stop peeing in the camera. This is supposed to be sour than sweet.
okay, Gavin.
Get the sours on the
Gavin,
box.
Gavin, you have the watermelon. Gavin, you
Ew.
have the watermelon.
It's so gross.
I give it
I cannot
a
eat any
10 out of 10.
I give it a 0 out of 10.
Guys, let me try the watermelon.
Alright, go ahead.
Yum.
Eat.
I'm gonna eat the butt.
Ew.
I'm gonna eat the butt.
Why would you eat one?
Why the butt?
Butt.
Okay, guys, if you like the video, like, subscribe, and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.
Butts.